Effective training guidelines. Tell, show, do, and review. Tell. You will be told the procedures of each duty and explained in detail how they are to be performed. Show. You will be shown how each step is performed, both through videos and during training in the field. Do. You will now perform each task, following procedures along the way. Review. You will review all of the information to ensure you have all of the procedures down to a science. Microfiber cloth color-coded use. The blue cloth. The blue cloth is used for glass and polished stainless steel. The yellow cloth. Yellow cloth is used for counters and sinks. Orange cloth. The orange cloth is used for toilets and urinals. Green cloth. The green cloth is used for dusting.